Selecting the most qualified accountant for your business or personal needs can mean the difference between success, mediocre performance, or even failure. Since the numbers behind your business are an important aspect in setting the right path for your future, understanding those numbers can make or break your business. Many who don't have a strong accounting background view all accountants as being equal, but that is not the case. A well-qualified accountant is equipped with the knowledge and experience to make a critical difference in many parts of your business, including tax planning, business consulting, personal finance advice, and networking. You want an accountant who offers more than crunch numbers. Your accountant will develop a detailed knowledge of you and your business and your numbers. Always remember, once you've chosen an accountant, it can be time-consuming and costly to make a change. Today's business and personal accountants offer more than crunch numbers. Call accountants in Rockland today and we will gladly sit down with you for a free evaluation of your accounting and planning needs. We are experienced accountants serving the Rockland, California and surrounding area.